Okay, so I do fish a lot. The problem, however, I have is I can hardly catch any fish. I've been out on the beach fishing, surf fishing, but nothing, ever. Now, I don't know, is it because the setup I have or because I'm too high-tech with the drone and all, but if you could help me and leave a comment below, let me know what I should try it out. Is it a different type of bait? Is it lure? Is it plastic? That would be much appreciated. I'm at Dicky Beach now, so I'm gonna give it a try and see how we go. Just show me, guys. That's a dart. Whoa, it's quite sharp actually. Well, at least someone caught fish, just not me.
No, we've seen them in New Zealand. They got little motorboats.
Yeah.
And they send them out.
Yeah.
And then they just like a couple hundred meters out, and they just drop and they just reel them in.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Finally, I caught a dart at Dicky Beach. I wish I had caught it on camera, except it's storming, as you can see at the back. And I've just packed away all my camera gears. It's really bucketing down at the moment. But this is actually quite dangerous. This guy is still fishing there, but as you can see, it's actually lightning around us. I would not recommend this. Maybe have the thunder passes through first, and then we can have a look fishing more darts. Yeah, but it is quite dangerous fishing in thunderstorm. The setup is rather simple. I've got 2 sinkers at the bottom and just a hook right on top of the swivel, and prawns, frozen prawns, and that's pretty much it.
Where's your car?
Right there. Where's the hook? You need to pick a hook. That's an Australian dart, people! So, finally I broke the drought. I managed to catch some fish on a sandy beach. My first time catching legal sized dart. Really enjoyed it. Met a guy called Jaden. He showed me a couple of things. But you know, one thing about fishing, it's not just about fishing that I like. It's actually I enjoy talking to people when we're fishing. Understand how they fish, where the sweet spots are. So, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and hit the like button. It's TimWanderer. Bye.